Welcome to the Gravity Cloud quick setup video. We're going to show you how to create a Gravity Cloud account and connect your web properties to Gravity Cloud. Let's get started. So to begin, navigate to the Gravity Cloud website, and in the top right hand corner you'll see a sign in link. Click sign in. On the sign in page you have two options: register a new user, or you can sign on with username and password, or sign on with Google single sign-on. We're selecting our Google sign-on and we'll log in with our Gmail account. Once logged in, you'll see the Gravity Cloud interface, and right now it's an empty interface, so we're going to connect three web properties: the Elite staging site, the Elite pre-prod website, and the Elite production website. Let's go ahead and do that. First, click the Add New Domain Group. Give the domain group a name. And now take a copy of the domain name. So first we'll grab staging, and in the URL we'll copy the domain name, and we'll paste that in. Next you'll need the consumer key and secret key. This we get from Gravity Forms API. So go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Forms, Settings, and then API, the REST API at the bottom. You'll need to enable the API. Once enabled, you can add a connection for Gravity Cloud. Go ahead and click Add, give it a description, select the user to determine what access it gets, and make sure you give it read-write access. The nice thing about this is you can delete your credentials at any time, so you're in control of access. Once you've got that, make sure you copy and paste the two keys, because you'll need to paste them in this dialog. Paste in the consumer key from the previous step, paste in the secret key. So now we have one domain set up. We're going to repeat this process by adding a new domain for the next two domain properties. With the three domains set up, we're going to have to pick the source where the components are, the building blocks for our products, and then we're going to pick the destination for where we build out the product. So production will be the source building blocks, and we're going to use staging as our target. Finally, there are two filters. One that will filter your product Gravity Forms, and then one filter that will be filtering your component Gravity Forms, the building blocks. I suggest you leave the names as product and component. Click the Add button and you'll see the system connects to all three web properties and verifies that it can access Gravity Forms. Watch the Gravity Forms button at the top. When the arrows stop spinning, you want a green indicator. Once the arrows are green, you're all set. The final step is to make sure you have all the plugins you need. Because we'll be working with WoCommerce, you'll need two plugins: Gravity Forms, obviously, and you also need WoCommerce Gravity Forms product add-on. Once you have the two plugins installed, let's look at your product. Inside your product dialog, you'll have to set up a target Gravity Form for each product. Let's look at the high-low manual flex table. Scroll down, you'll see a tab for Gravity Forms, and select the form target. So this will be the product attributes for this product. And this completes the setup process.